Elon Musk just dropped a Christmas gift that's got artists fuming, and it's not what anyone wanted. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech news. X has rolled out a brand new AI image editing feature that lets anyone change your artwork with a single click. Just hit the three dots on a post or the little icon on an image, type in a prompt, and boom, your masterpiece can be AI edited, downloaded, and shared by anyone. Plus, there's no opt-out, no protection, and it's automatically turned on for all users. For artists, this is a nightmare. Many already abandoned X during the Great Exodus, fed up with AI bots, conspiracy theories, and toxic chaos. Now, the platform is actively encouraging anyone to manipulate original art, and it's sparking outrage. One user wrote, "Sorry Elon, but no artist wants others to steal or tweak their work," while another warned the days of promoting real art on X are over. Some artists are going to stop posting images entirely. Tech tools like Nightshade and Glaze can protect art from AI training, but they do nothing to stop someone from editing your image directly on X. GIFs instead of JPGs might work, but at the cost of quality. The backlash isn't just from creators, big businesses and IP holders could step in too. Disney and the Motion Picture Association have already fought AI reproductions of their content. Whether Musk knew the outrage was coming or timed the feature release during the holidays to fly under the radar, it sure made artists mad, and X just became a battlefield for creative control. This gift might end up being the one thing artists won't be unwrapping this Christmas. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.